heading to Ghent for your next trip or conference. Plan your trip and travel in comfort. Simply order a ticket from Brussels South to Ghent St. Peters online and download it. Forget to buy your train ticket online? No problem. You will find that ticket office and vending machines at the station. It just takes a minute. You'll arrive at Ghent St. Peters railway station. Exit the main entrance hall of Ghent St. Peters and follow the directions centre to go to the tram and bus terminals. Buy your tram tickets from the counter or one of the vending machines and take tram number 1 or 3, straight to the heart of the city. Five minutes later, get off at the tram stop Koophandelssplein. You've arrived in the historical centre of Ghent. Enjoy your stay.